I'm Chris.
I'm Kristen.
And welcome to our Keto Low Carb Kitchen.
Today we are making an eggplant caprese stack, and we are going to show you step by step how easy this recipe is.
We'll be right back.
Caprese.
Caprese. So the star of this dish is, of course, eggplant. We like it because it has vitamin B6, it has potassium, and it has magnesium.
Yes. Now, I was looking so forward to this dish because I love eggplant, and it completely exceeded my expectations. Now, if you don't love eggplant, you can easily substitute zucchini.
Yeah, but I don't love eggplant. It was so good. We don't have a taste test for you. we can't do a taste test at the end of the video. I'm sorry.
Yes.
But this is 2 days after we made it. I came in from a trip and I ate it all. I had it for breakfast.
Wiped it out.
Wiped out the whole thing. And which is easy to do because it's also low in carbs.
Or 6 grams of carbs. And you guys, if you don't want to fry this, you can easily make it in the air fryer.
And we show you how to do that. So let's do that.
Okay, so we're going to start off by coating our eggplant with a little bit of eggs and a splash of heavy cream. And Christy was nice enough to edit out the messy parts, so you'll just get to see us coating it here.
It was not that bad. So right here, we're just going to typically fry the eggplant. You batter it. Make sure the skillet is preheated and the oil is nice and hot, just like that.
And we just use a little bit of almond flour on each side, just enough to coat.
And we did use avocado oil. Now, if you don't like heavily fried foods or if it upsets your stomach, you can do the air fryer version, but be sure to spray it before it goes in. Otherwise,
it won't come out as crispy.
Yeah. And the best thing about the air fryer is you put 2 in and get 5 out. So you see how beautiful that is.
Yes.
It is going to make the dish just as nice.
Yes, and they're a beautiful golden color, which is exactly what you're looking for.
Yep, just like that.
Yes. And you simply flip it after about 3 to 4 minutes. I mean, there's really nothing to this.
Yeah. Put it on a paper towel so it can drain.
Yes.
It's so easy, guys.
It is so easy.
Aren't those
so
beautiful?
Delicious.
Those are beautiful.
Now, if you want to make an eggplant stack, we are going to go ahead and use our delicious homemade pesto, which can be found on our website, and it's lower in carbs than some of the other pestos that you can find.
And our website is ketointhecountry.com.
Next comes the tomato and the fresh mozzarella. And you're just going to continue to stack it.
And this makes a beautiful dish if you're looking to impress anybody, or if it's just you and you want to treat yourself. This is one option. We're also going to show you the other option.
Right. Now we're just adding some cracked black pepper and some parsley to the top. And pop it in the oven.
Yeah, pop it in the oven at 375 for about, I said about 30 minutes.
Yes, brown and bubbly.
So this is the other version.
Yes, and we think that it's just as pretty and it's super easy, and that way you just make one big dish for everyone.
We didn't expect it to be so pretty, but when it came out of the oven, we're like, oh. So it's the same layers, the eggplant, tomato, eggplant,
yes, mozzarella.
cheese.
And you want to lather on the pesto. This pesto is to die for.
Also, our homemade pesto has less carbs than any bought pesto.
Right.
And it's just 3 or 4 ingredients. And look at that oil. Yeah, we're keto, baby. We can do that. And in the meantime, you can watch Puppy Cuteness. Okay, over. And that's what you end up with. There's the stack. And there's the dish. You can't ask for any more than that.
Now, you guys know that our favorite part of this whole video is the taste test, but it was so good.
We really don't have one for you because there is just none left.
Yes. As always, we want to thank our subscribers. We love you guys. You guys always keep us motivated.
And if you're new to us, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you like our recipes, ring the bell so you'll get one every time we put one out. And most importantly, the best way you can help us is to share.
Exactly. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, which camera is it?
Oh, just look at all of them. We're bound to hit one.
We have crazy eyes, like
darting around.